How long have you been waiting?
I have been waiting a long time for this.
I have been waiting for 6 years for this moment. I have been waiting for this moment for 25 years.
We have been waiting a millennium.
How long has he been doing that?
Everybody's been laughing at me my whole life, too.
How long have we been doing this?
I've been watching you.
I've been dating my whole life.
I've been dating other guys.
How long have you been dating Picasso?
We haven't been dating that long.
How long have we been sleeping?
I have been sleeping more. I've been drinking alone less.
She's been sleeping all day.
Well, I haven't been sleeping well, all right?
She has been spending a lot of time at my place, though.
I have been studying you.
How long have you been sitting there?
I have been looking for you all over.
How long have you been doing this?
I'm sorry, I've been lying to you.
She's the one, the girl we have been waiting for.
I've been working on my reactions since I was 3.
How long have you been teaching?
How long have you been practicing?
I've been studying how to make people laugh.
Someone's been doing their homework.